In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Asana to Google Calendar. Connecting these two tools is a great way to keep your tasks and deadlines visible alongside your meetings and events so you don't miss anything important. I'll walk you through the process step by step and you can follow along in your own Asana workspace. First, open Asana in your browser and make sure you're logged in. Look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. This is usually your photo or your initials in a small circle. Click on that profile icon to open a drop-down menu with your account options. From that drop-down, select the option labeled Settings. This will open a settings window or panel where you can manage different parts of your Asana account. Give it a moment to load if it takes a second. This is where we'll find the apps and integrations. Once the settings window is open, you'll see several tabs across the top or along the side, such as Profile, Notifications, and others. Look for the tab labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on Apps. This section is where Asana lets you connect external tools like Google Calendar, email, and other services. Inside the Apps section, you'll see some suggested integrations, but we want to browse everything that's available. Look for a button or link that says See All Apps and click on it. This will take you to the full Asana Apps directory, where all integrations are listed in one place. At the top of the Apps directory, you should see a search bar. Click into that search bar and type Google Calendar. Be sure to spell it correctly so the integration shows up right away. After typing, wait for the search results to appear below. In the search results, you'll see the official Google Calendar integration for Asana. Click on Google Calendar to open its app page. This page gives you more information about what the integration does, but you don't need to change anything here. We're just going to install it. On the Google Calendar app page, look for the button that says Install GCal for Asana. Click on that button to start the installation process. From here, Asana will guide you through connecting your Google account and choosing which projects or tasks you'd like to sync to your calendar. Just follow the on-screen prompts, approve the permissions, and you'll be ready to go.